Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted how they could take one of their drawings, and I'm just using some text from my last video while it's loading, and I was looking through Facebook and somebody posted this, how they could take a picture of this and send it to either a customer, and she actually stated that she wanted to post it on Etsy, and it wouldn't be text, it was probably a drawing of an outline of something she's cutting out. Well, there's a number of ways to do that. One of them is the snipping tool that's inside of all windows, and just go to snipping. It'll say new, and you can see your item is grayed out. Well, just take your cursor and see how it's turning it black, and then save it as a PNG, or you can save it as a JPEG, a GIF, but JPEG or PNG would be your best. So that's the snipping tool, or you can do it actually inside of Corel, and you can export this. So just go to File, Export, and you can pick from any of these, a JPEG, an AI, several different JPEG right here. This would be your best one, JPEG bitmap, and you could save it as any of those. You can save it as a PNG, PDF, and a lot of different type of file. You can export almost everything, and then just save it into a file, and then you could post it like you would a picture on anything else. I actually use a product called Snippet that I'm running right now, that I take pictures all the time and post pictures. But that's a subscription, or it's a doesn't cost very much. It's pretty reasonable, but this is free, and exporting is free inside of Corel. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit, or them, and thank you.